Kerassentials is a mix of a bunch of different oils that they claim can help with toenail fungus, also known as onychomycosis. But does it really work? Let's break down all the ingredients in this mix, see if there's a useful dose, and if there's any evidence that these ingredients can actually help with treating toenail fungus. Undecylinic acid, derived from castor oil, is a fatty acid found in some over-the-counter skin medications. It's known for relieving itching and irritation associated with skin issues, and is commonly used against fungal skin infections. Research suggests undecylinic acid, also called undecanoic acid, is effective against fungal skin and nail infections. However, most treatments primarily use another powdered form called zinc undecylinate and use it in concentrations well above 20 to 25%. Kerassentials does not use zinc undecylinate and uses only a weak concentration of 5% undecylinic acid, which becomes even more diluted once you factor in all the other oils they've mixed in, making it far too weak to effectively treat fungal nail infections. Mineral oil, almond oil, flaxseed oil, and jojoba oil are commonly used in skincare products as carrier oils or to keep the skin or nail moisturized. However, they're considered inactive and don't have any known medicinal benefits for fungal infections. In fact, when it comes to fungal toenail infections, drenching the nail in moisture might not be wise. Fungi thrive in warm, damp environments like inside shoes or socks. Applying moisturizing oil could potentially worsen the situation and lock moisture inside the toenail. You actually want to keep the nail dry, not moisturized. A dry environment helps slow down fungal growth and prevents the nail from softening and weakening, reducing the risk of further infection. Tea tree oil has demonstrated antimicrobial properties against various bacteria and fungi, leading to its possible uses for treating toenail fungal infections. In one study, applying 100% pure tea tree oil twice daily somewhat improved nail appearance and symptoms in about 56% of patients after 3 months. However, even after 6 months, only 18% saw complete resolution of their infections. However, another study using a lower concentration of 5% tea tree oil found no benefits. So it seems that tea tree oil is somewhat effective at treating toenail fungus when used as 100% pure oil. Given that Kerassentials is mixing it into a blend of oils, it's safe to say that when used here, it's going to be completely ineffective. Aloe vera is a popular herb known for its topical applications in skin conditions, especially for inflammation and wound healing. It's been shown to be helpful in healing burns. However, there isn't much evidence supporting its effectiveness in treating or managing toenail fungal infections. Canola oil is just vegetable oil. Try pouring vegetable oil onto your toenail fungus and see if it does anything. Yeah, no, it won't. D-L-alpha tocopherol, also known as vitamin E, is an antioxidant often used in various skin conditions, although its overall benefits remain uncertain. For example, a study used topical vitamin E for scar healing and found that it had no benefits. Another study used topical vitamin E for sunburn treatment and found no benefits or protective effects. Additionally, there's no evidence supporting its effectiveness against fungal infections when applied topically. Walnut oil, clove oil, chia oil, and manuka oil have traditional uses in skincare, but there's little scientific evidence supporting their effectiveness against toenail fungal infections or any other topical uses. Menthol and camphor provide a cooling sensation and can alleviate itching or irritation when applied topically. However, they don't have any proven impact on nails or fungal infections. Lemongrass and lavender essential oils are sometimes used for their pleasant scent and potential relaxation benefits when inhaled. However, they don't have any known effects on nails or fungal infections. Summarizing our ingredient analysis, we're gonna first remove oils like mineral, almond, flaxseed, canola, walnut, clove, jojoba, chia, and manuka, as they lack any medicinal value beyond moisturizing or acting as carrier oils. Next, we exclude ingredients like aloe vera extract, vitamin E, menthol, camphor, lemongrass oil, and lavender oil, which may have some skin benefits but lack any evidence for treating nail fungal infections. We then identify undecyclinic acid and tea tree oil as having potential to treat fungal infections if used properly. However, upon further examination, we find that the doses and concentrations of these ingredients in Kerassentials are too low and impure to be effective. As a result, Kerassentials is an oil that mostly consists of inert and useless oils. Mixing numerous oils has diluted any potential benefits, rendering it ineffective for managing toenail fungus. Kerassentials cost $70 for 15 milliliters. For those seeking a more potent alternative, a combination of pure 100% tea tree oil and 25% undecyclinic acid will likely be much more effective. Pure tea tree oil costs $3 to $5 for 15 milliliters, while 25% undecyclinic acid costs $10 to $20 for the same quantity. This combination is only $13 to $25 for 15 milliliters and will be more effective than Kerassentials. However, it's important to note that even with this blend, resolving toenail fungus may still take a significant amount of time if it clears up at all. Even effective treatments for this condition have limited success due to various factors. Fungal infections, particularly those affecting toenails, are challenging to treat for several reasons. Firstly, the infection typically occurs beneath the hard surface of the nail, making it difficult for antifungal medications to reach it effectively. This protective barrier slows down the healing process. Also, toenails grow slowly, only about 1 to 2 millimeters per month, so even successful treatment takes time as healthy nail tissue gradually replaces the infected portion. This slow growth means treatment is going to take a while to complete, which increases the risk of incomplete treatments. Incomplete treatments can lead to reinfection since fungal spores often persist in the nail bed and are hard to get rid of. This means that even with an effective antifungal treatment, fungal nail infections tend to be chronic. Treatment requires persistence and may be further complicated by underlying health conditions. For instance, diabetic patients are more prone to fungal toenail infections due to a weakened immune system. It's important to understand that there is no quick fix for toenail fungus. Topical medications may take up to a year. Oral medications for treating fungal nail infections usually have to be taken for several weeks or months. They are much more effective than topical treatments, but they have more side effects. Rating Kerassentials by effectiveness for treating toenail fungus, I'm giving it a D. It's mostly composed of useless carrier oils that won't do much of anything for fungal infections. Rating it by cost, I'm giving it a D. It can be easily replicated with much higher quality ingredients at a far cheaper cost. Rating it for safety, I'm giving it an A. If used topically on a nail, it will likely be safe to use as most of it is made of inert oils. Overall rating, I'm giving a D. I would not recommend it at all. Hi, I'm Dr. Brian Young. Do you think it's worth it? Let me know in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave me a like. Hit the notification bell if you want to stay up to date, and share this video with someone you know who can use info.